Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Honey soothes a persistent viral cough fast. Just a spoonful before bed calms your throat. Drinking warm fluids like tea or broth helps loosen mucus and ease irritation. Inhaling steam opens airways and reduces coughing. Plus, rest and avoiding irritants like smoke speed up recovery.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.